again, and today is a special menu which I'm gonna work with you guys today. Today I'm gonna do you some Caribbean curry chicken. Caribbean curry chicken from Chef Ricardo cooking today. Remember Chef Ricardo website.co.uk. I'm gonna show you how you can cook some lovely Caribbean curry chicken from Chef Ricardo cooking. And today I got some nice Irish potato and some spring onion and a large onion and few carrots and 2 cloves of garlic, and I got some olive oil and some everyday season. In my everyday season, remember I told you in my first video that I got 20 different kind of season in my everyday season. And I want to say to you, it's so simple. Caribbean curry chicken is simple to cook, but how it tastes when you finish cooking it. Today, if you watch my recipe, you're going to taste totally different. You're going to look totally different from every different Caribbean curry chicken. Look how you're going to cook it. Eat my pot. So, my pot is on the fire so far. I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons of oil in the frying pan. So, I'm doing this at the moment. Then, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove the bits from the spring onion. And then put on a little heat on my frying pan. The spring onion and the garlic inside the frying pan, as you can see, looking really nice. Just to give it a flavor and a taste, really nice. I'm gonna put a piece of thyme inside of it. Lovely and nice. You can see that beautiful scent from the spring onion and from the thyme, from the garlic. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put the Caribbean curry chicken inside of the pot. Really nice Caribbean curry chicken from Chef Ricardo today. Beautiful recipe. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna leave this on the fire at least 10 minutes to give it a nice, beautiful cooking down. Looking really beautiful, really nice. As you can see it, looking really nice and beautiful. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to leave this for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to just cover it and leave it, let it go on cooking down for 10 minutes. Guys, I want to say, with the Caribbean curry chicken, it's pre-owned water itself. So, but if you need to add a little water, you can add it to cook the carrot and the Irish potato later on down in the process of cooking the Caribbean curry chicken. You can see the chicken getting there, really nice and beautiful. You can see the thyme and the spring onion. I'll show you one more time again, guys. Look right straight in the pot. Really nice and beautiful curry chicken, Caribbean curry chicken from Chef Ricardo. Really beautiful. Cover it one more time. All of the veg which I'm going to use in that beautiful Caribbean curry chicken, I'm going to put a piece more thyme, red pepper, spring onion, thyme, garlic, and some lovely carrot and some lovely white onion and some lovely carrot. This is all of my recipe right here which I'm going to put in my Caribbean beautiful curry. Carrot, some spring onion, some thyme, everything inside of it. Really nice and beautiful. As you can see what I'm doing right now at the moment, putting everything. I put in the red pepper, thyme, then I have some more which I'm going to put inside of it. Really nice and beautiful from Chef. My pepper right here, some thyme inside of the Caribbean curry chicken. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put a little bit more of some, about half spoon of curry inside of the Caribbean curry chicken. So simple. And I'm gonna put some everyday season inside of it just to give it a little bit of flavor. Really nice and beautiful. Guys, I want to say you don't need to use salt in this curry chicken. You know, curry chicken is very easy to season. You just get your normal season where you use daily on a basic daily, and you can use some nice Caribbean beautiful everyday season inside of your Caribbean curry chicken from Chef Ricardo. This is a nice and beautiful recipe This is volume 1 from Chef Ricardo today. As you can see, just to make life more easy for you guys, what I'll do, I'll just boil some water inside of the kettle to pour on top of the curry chicken. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna show you. I'm just pouring in some boiled water just to make life more easier. And I use at least 2 cups of water inside of on top of the curry chicken, just to give it some beautiful flavor from the full. You can see the nice, beautiful Jamaican, beautiful red pepper. I want to share with you guys, this red pepper comes from Jamaica, straight from Jamaica and that British airway. And I want to say it is beautiful chicken, really nice, really beautiful, beautiful Caribbean curry chicken from Chef Ricardo today. When it finished cook, I'm gonna show you how it look like, and I'm gonna taste it now just to see how it tastes today from Chef Ricardo cooking. Really nice, don't need no salt, don't need nothing inside of it. Beautiful chicken from Chef Ricardo today. Caribbean curry chicken, just to say it is ready and how it look. Oh my days, it's looking so beautiful. Wow. This one is really nice and beautiful recipe from Chef Ricardo. Caribbean curry chicken, really nice. This is volume 1 of the Caribbean curry chicken. I gotta come with the next one, Caribbean stew chicken, and then the next one, Caribbean stew beef, and then the next one, Caribbean stew pork. Look out for Chef Ricardo. This video them coming up on YouTube live and direct from Chef Ricardo. This is one of my special recipe. As you can see, I'm gonna share out it when I finish and make you guys look how food look on the plate when you're gonna eat before you eat it. I'm gonna just give you a simple idea of this recipe, which I do have right now on my, one of my Caribbean cooking book. Really nice recipe. This one, all you need is some seasoning, some all-purpose, some chicken seasoning, and a little bit of garlic, some spring onion, some thyme, some red Jamaican pepper, nice and beautiful, fresh and lovely. Get everything together, get some carrot, get some Irish potato, and get everything together. First of all, you season your meat for 24 hours, and after you season your meat, you make it soak inside in that fridge for 24 hours. Next day you use it, put on the frying pan, 2 teaspoons of oil, put it on for the pot and leave it and make it give you all of what you need, all of your flavors, what you need. Put your chicken in it with some garlic and some thyme and some spring onion. Beautiful recipe from Chef Ricardo today. As you can see, guys, this is a beautiful recipe. I want to tell you something. You're going to see it look when I put it on the plate in the next couple of minutes from now. And remember, all you need, this process of cooking this Caribbean recipe chicken from Chef Ricardo today, less than half an hour. I would say 25 minutes from Chef Ricardo today recipe. Yes, it is finished, lovely and nice, and I dish it out really nice and beautiful, as you can see. Even with the red pepper, I put it on top of it. I got some coleslaw, some plain white rice, and this is what I'm talking about from Chef Ricardo with the Caribbean curry chicken volume 1. And remember my website www.co.uk. remember YouTube, Twitter, and MySpace. Guys, this is a lovely meal, and I'm telling you, you cannot go wrong if you watch my recipe and my new video which just come out now from Chef Ricardo volume 1, Caribbean curry chicken. Look after yourself and see with me in the next video with the Caribbean stew chicken, and I'm gonna show you totally different from Chef Ricardo.